nti ewo attention ti won say edu aye about to say the election year say the next city bia aye hye na ya trase ba bedi nkomo na nkomo di rebeko so na ye University Foundation ana esomase do so po amede sa dwumade afro ye hwe nyanka wo mo kunu ne o yere mo sabi wo mo wadwa mo disable nkwala wo man kasantimi ye bibia mo ho no sankrofo na Queen afa to no ho se wo bo mo na no odin obeso Queen mu ne ebo sankrofo ya obe from 0548302985 0548302985 ye be din komo won sa sofo ni bebre sebe e de nkom hye akese e de nam internet yi so se ne abatoi ebe ye bi mo yiyo mo nim se mahama ne be wini ebi so says egbaomia e na ebeba ebi kan sama anu odin empo no dampare e de asamba ese wo bia men hye nkom eye Ghana sofo ne so yenti obia ekoso eneme wo Apostle George Wonder Tete Kisei JP aoda asafo a friend Restore Monday Global Ministry ano wo Agape Park me share papa ha me ne ba bedi nkomo na wie no obehu ne ekoso anase ne wosa asofo eye wo Ghana papa akwawa
ya me die
ma kwa ba attention TV my wife ada ko we bia na asa ngosra bi adwale obi sa no tisenya wa fly bi sa no
adomo
ampa adoma akwa ba bi
that's it
papa nkoma ye ba bedidi se sie ye hwe ententan so a ne ekoso ne se asofo no bi edwomanima besi eye internet yi so se ede nkom hye akese ene ba fa election ya ebe hu eye good se sofo ebe yi nanim se meta party A anase party B echi eye good se sofo o be yesana as a man of God
na de ka bi da se ene ahwefo yina se edanyame asese rade ama yakonyama ene ya ba attention TV na ebe di nkomo efa abato se meka obia wo bebia mejidie wo anase nipa oginidi anase party office na kuma was a particular party no na akameka se sanka nkrofo anka so motimi ye politics by asofo.
Oh wow.
Yeah, actually no asofo enkasa in their core no is a politics.
O man anka o say ebu o man no
man ko yi.
Oh okay.
Because esan say nyamesuro ni abrabomu ensem ene abrabomu ni ene niam bia asofo bi no afemo no enu ye foto ni adisuade e di mawo because say obi ba sorry if obi ba sorry na nipa no wo problem a asofo e make sure say obema sa nipa no wo sa how no mu no na kuma ye de atode yem anase obema sa nipa no tibia no wo mu no obeboa na ma na free say tibia no mo se ne be ya na bra wo be de ebesi ne yie enti sa esua hono no ene sa adom no anyame de adom asofo no anka asofo kra na anka so mutimi tinitini niama e wo man mu e se niama bi koso na se enye yie a asofo na e se omoka
okay
e tinitini so man pani di eye bibi na se enye ya na se MPB ye bibi na enye ya nkofo se so mutimi kanani e ya asofo but it has been said asofo bebre no because of the love for a political particular party ninti omotimi nka no kware no e se ne pi because and another thing so say because of some incentives be any sika bi e di mo ninti no kware ne dawa omotimi nka
eye asofo no sika bi a wo mo di fi eye politicians for
any mo ninti
no kre bi wo ho a
omotimi nka
okay
because as asofo a onim say nyakopa afro na e se wo ka no kware no no matter how I be ma osika bia no say otimi kan no kware no say that here but ye bebre no sikasem no how that is a lack of integrity.
Yeah,
integrity nti se wantimi ankura wo mudie mu a eno na se sika bia de betu enu bia wo sika pe na wo popo yeah se wani bre ade a asofo bebra nkrofo fraud omo risk asem na de because they are greedy.
Okay.
They lack integrity.
Okay.
It is social media so be bet me ka che so for ska we fade we bra na me ma wonya ska we but ne ono so di akire me the business way ba na di akire on hwemo enhwe content na nipa na dey send no on sense message na nipa na dey send
on sense message no. Okay.
It at the end of the day no you be rob no. Wow. It as pastors are we politics or we share common idea no. Me can say eye. And I me can say enye. So I say because all is it ni na ka bom. Emma yehune nyame asuma no. Ene ne nyame asuma no.
That's message say do comment papa say asofo no sika na eye politicians no de more muntia no krane da hokra won muntumi ka fa comment bra ye be kan ama papa asofo na won mo yi omanim so mo ye MPP ana say NDC no so omo kita members e wo mo asori na wo ye sure say bia se sofo no wo MPP a wo ye sure say members fo ni nyina wo MPP ana
oh there be members ni nyina eni MPP obi wo do wachi because of the adom no wo so ni ti no do wachi but nipa bia kura na adwen ena nipa bia wa ade ope
and they say na wo sa sofo so hete.
Oh, there be
some of the members.
No, you shouldn't. It shouldn't be an edge to some of the members. As someone who say, when say so for maybe as our NDC and as our MPP. Sometimes you have to be neutral.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to declare your position.
Sometimes,
but not all times. So what they say. And maybe what I say, Yehu Jinebia. And maybe so what I say. Ujine bia say as a political party I will support no. E say o ye bi say mpo say o MPP and say we NDC. Obi anim say we MPP and say we NDC. Say NDC ni ye bone a obeka, say MPP ni ye bone a obeka, no matter how your political affiliation. Eno na kire say you are a neutral man. Though you have your party, but if your party is not doing well you say it. If it's doing well you say it.
Say papa say bisa say o party and party bi obeka.
They are all inclusive.
Because so say be I was say you when him say our party and say o take constitution besides say our party here obetimi dey atudwa.
Oh,
I know there.
Actually no.
Usura na.
Oh, enye say misro and enye say bia bibi but sometimes you know, because all the political devices you know me no be a very good NDC MPP. People see me as a member of MPP, people also see me as a member of NDC. So what I say, because I'm able to mingle with all the parties, but it's a big corner saying yeah, I can say it. So that gives me the leverage. Say MPP yeah, then say yeah, I can talk about it. Say NDC yeah, I can talk about it. So what I say, okay. But those who are close to me no money party am wo.
Oh, and then me papa memo wa chere party wo na me hwe say ya. Na me so me de maba honom. Oba say dampale de won na bi beto abonto say sofo bia e menhye enkom ma emfa panic bi meto sa ni pam so but still na sa.
Oh, so asem no.
Ade asofo ma tra
okano see 31st December.
Into after 31st.
So only once say who shemre bia na say who can say bia. I say who ma asem cut across. Okay. But we see e mo bia nhye come 31st December. Okay. Na cause fear and panic. So in the 31st December no ebinom come share no mbebusem. So what I say, a bit more use proverb, yes, and no modition come, a bit use symbols, a bit use different things. What would I see? No, say one cause Sophia and Pan, one more beer, one more gun a day. So what I say, but this election is all about Ghana. Inti say Obi shall come about a political party. Some of the prophecy can be say, you are affiliated to that particular party. Inti or can't be send a bear or what party no mono. They will say, Charlie or more chance. ɛna sɛ ne be ya edia na or the cover or the cover up say the be a obeka say oh we dey o kan ye ho what's that the so some of them some of the prophecies say what we translate now we prophecies na binum ma you can see say they are affiliated to one political party.
Wow. This is the man of God. To the man of God is speaking. So I was so be a now do comment so but papa who say down here man of God be fi South Africa. I didn't come share by say Mahama be hunu 10 days time obe lusu a yenes ni seat. Once why nya many pay open so say Mahama go sa prophet nana.
Be depending because one say mama on number one or sorry.
Oh yeah,
Assemblies of God.
Assemblies of God, yeah.
And apart from that, our pastors are mobile pie man. He has prophets around him. So if the prophets pray and they see say it deems good for him to go and meet that man, what is wrong about it? And we are fine.
They won't stop.
Oh, me to make a chance say man uncle and I say uncle. It's omo bomb pie man no. And those who have access to him, as if they can discern and can confirm, because prophecies need to be confirmed by the one who is being given the prophecy. Obi sha will come out. I say commission one kasa ye can some natural one. I say confirmation. Confirmation about your discernment. When you discern on the prophecy, it tells you that this is a true prophecy concerning you. Though you don't know what it all about, but you can feel it within your spirit. Say, no, this is a true prophecy from God.
Nti enye panic bi no dey abeto man.
Oh, there's no panic bi anto ni so.
Say anything na dan palace anka.
Oh, there we enye panic.
We enye panic.
But
papa say o man 10 days.
Man, but if he's giving him 10 days, it means Obi Ohana it's like he want to in other way to become firm, to be known, or to bibisa, or per se he want to have a link or a relationship with him. So some of the prophecies now confirm not because of either it is true from God or it's not from God, but because some of the people want to have some cordial relationship, want to have a link up.
Okay. Papa say nyina we are 7-1 God.
Yes.
Adenti na prophecy na dosu. Ebi say Mahama, ebi say Baumia. Aden na Nyankopon ye ba ko na sesi na nunu nsem. Ayetu.
I think when you read the book of Corinthians now, when you study the book of Corinthians, it tells you about what happened and what is happening.
Okay.
In the book of Corinthians, now a man almost tried by a Christopher. Now do no ya come for. Omukom.
Ombo pada.
Me baby abobo pada.
Okay.
And now no mo sum nya me be a friend the God of sex and love.
Sex
and love.
Sex yeah. Any odo ya. Odo ntinten ya. Ya komfo bi din.
Ya busum bi din.
Busum bi din.
Ya busum bi din. Enti emro mo sakra no e ba church no mo no. Na come share course. So we shall come now we shall come their encounter. What you are seeing is not something new. Because and I'm going to say that most people prophesy because of political affiliation. Inti obi abeshe come say mama be wini. Obi suba abeshe come say ba omi abe wini to encounter the prophecy of mama or to encounter the prophecy of Baumia because of the political devices. Now and I feel so in the book of Corinthians, the reason why because omuchro letter no come out Paul no say Paul a reply letter no nti ochro say edu bi no say anka mani nanye de enye kom say bibi no mu ntia so monko bi so mo kunu no mo e wo fie. It's because of the conflict of the prophecies. We shall come and now we have a shall come the encounter. We shall come and never have a shall we the encounter. And in those days, a man in no much trouble through. Wow. It's and according to Kronangasano, a year. I say Abota is an Abota into different kinds of tribes, different kinds of people. Ebe ye Juma wo. To be about Biakut and the Bushma, Odeba obi akuta ne busu ne sibaya Odeba nti corona ngasa no aye busy
obi they say
bibia wo so person who the typical about the current corona with the visit every arbor in Ghana arbor town be Ghana you see such character there what difference we are got them arbor so where wo no the same thing that Jamestown arbor Cape Coast arbor it's every arbor no the same character you will see the difference into no na ma Paul can say okay and a man who be share comedy and bibi na unti say because there was a conflict between these parties so the same thing na here who know this is a political era in the political era no obia be share come I encounter they know most of them know the truth but they just want to say something to encounter the rating wow into obia nim say bia kodo na be wini ana adwa na be wini nti ba o miss na say yesu e be ka bibi na obia hu say yesu e wo ho
wow also attention me see wo hia eyi adoma na mo na point so kakra ma me say na be ya obenya notification bia e koso wo attention TV wọ́n say ne sex and love no kwasa na ye adagbagba bidin o bible no tina no ho odin no kwaku don soro na so woni aboni ndi ya ne ho nto no sex busum bidin attention ene ye de bebre papa your final way na mbisa one say say why nyame ni pe wo so bo mpa ya den na ho abatui de ebeko dodwa na den ebekoso
abatui de ebeko jojoba there will be literary scratches but we are praying say scratches no nyame betimi as treating no
send be
asomdwe betimi aba and at the same time so yes some what you stress betimi you organize one or two things betimi invite these political parties you know where you race no your constituency no at least baby a church where we are living between two constituencies.
Yeah.
You don't finfi. You wage agbawe. You anyaso too.
Yeah.
It will very soon start meeting one of the pieces, some of the pieces, all the pieces, you know.
Okay.
But yeah, sure, maybe somewhere, maybe somewhere next week. Convention say meeting one of the political party. You be meeting wage agbawe for MPP parliamentary candidate, you know. You been meeting NDC parliamentary candidate, you know.
Oh no, church na unkwa.
No, I be church, you know. I have pastors organization. Mini asofo no, because if say meet you mona ye no mukasa. At the end of the day, you know bekasa one-on-one. But we are believing God said somewhere October then we'll hold a conference with them. So that we can meet them and then we talk about breaking the political partition.
Wow, breaking
the political partition.
Papa, where your final word out the master for Nyawa Kenya final word, any advice I got or my youth?
And the mechanic say, I saw for you now, no young boy, they say, let's speak the truth to power. Young can to me.
Okay. Young can to
me.
Okay.
Because we are also power. We are authority, so we have the authority to speak against power. It is a you want to me, and Casan to me, dear. I just say, yeah, one more mine on Gosso. Ya grand you go my
must say
yeah, it is a say yeah, I say shana ye if you so branty no more, the same sham branty in my boy now. I'm crying say a momo and papa, a momo koyaki this time, you know. Obima with scar, Gina D. A Yahudia, a Ghana scar. And or their mouth. Wouldn't it be? That's why it's Nippon the mount not see Cantama. Oh, Cantama, son of a country or no other than their mouth.
They swear before giving you the money.
And some of them they allow you to swear before they give you the money.
Wow.
Some of them when they give you the money,
they papa when they hear pons into swear now best no. And so I'm no credit.
Send it Panako Bokro, no, not the scandal, but over there. And to me, you see, numia ene ngina so
enye dwuma nti wo mo de ba ye ndi ne so
ejiji na so enye ohwe
okay
se wa na oso e
papa wo na wo kam
se wa na oso e ku coffee o ti me dane no okay nyame ya doma Wednesday we start 3 days program your guest be on free Nigeria by
okay
Abuja ba go so free Lagos Apostle Gloria Okoro, very powerful and anointed prophetess of free Nigeria, and Bishop Innocent Akuri, also Lagos. Nyame Adoma from Wednesday to Friday.
This week, yeah.
This week, yeah.
It's not next.
Okay. You know, a program from 6:30 to 8:30. Our Restore Mandate Global Ministries. The Saudu Agape Parker would just yes, a fruit upon.
Yeah.
Any masalachi bi na ebo hwenem ewo ho anti ho ane wo nyame adoma Wednesday anwure ye wo ho Thursday anwure and Friday anwure na nyame be kasa
ya dance se wo ba ya
this me da base pass am frame na me number is 024 99 42 113 024 99 42 113 and 0277 716407 0277716407. Anytime we friend me, I know we sabe coming. Nyamishra, when you can say Nyamishra Attention TV. You can say.
Frère papa na woni ndi nkomo makra.